We are living in an amazing, amazing time. Absolutely incredible. In particular, if you're in manufacturing. I was a manufacturer for 28 years. I manufactured plastic water bottles primarily over in Santa Fe Springs. We were selling plastic water bottles all over the world. But as a manufacturer, as somebody who's been in manufacturing, we're in an amazing, explosive time between 3D printing and AI and big data and the Internet of Things and robotics. And we've had robotics for a long time, but the robotics today, oh my goodness, what changes that we're seeing taking place. And the result of this is manufacturing is growing like crazy in the Inland Empire. It's right here in the Inland Empire. We've got all these universities. We've got the absolute amazing transportation system. Any kind of transportation you need is right here in the Inland Empire. And so we're perfectly poised. Well, because we're perfectly poised, we've invited 3 amazing speakers to come to an expo on January 30th in San Bernardino at a great friend of ours, Rubber. Rubber's got a beautiful facility there. The facility's big enough to house 40 booths. We're gonna have 40 booths there. And these 3 speakers, there's room for 300 to attend. And we're looking for you to join us. If you're a manufacturer, a wholesale distributor, an importer, or a DC, this expo was designed specifically for you. The speakers will be speaking about issues that you care about, and the exhibitors will be there because they supply goods and services to people like you. If you'd be interested in attending that expo, go to perfectvision-ie.com and you'll find everything about the speakers. You'll find out more about the exhibitors. You'll find out more about exactly what it is we hope to do that day. You'll find the times at 10:30 to 4:30 on January 30th. You'll learn all there is to know about it, and you have a chance there to buy your ticket for that day. Again, we only have 300 seats. We're expecting to sell out, so the time to do this will be right now. perfectvision-ie.com. Looking forward to seeing you over there.